to chapter number 6, that is countable and uncountable noun. Okay, countable or uncountable noun or naming words. So without any delay, we'll begin the class. For that, you can take out your book, page number 27. For the first page, you can see that in let's get started, read the following. What is given that Pam goes to the market. She buys bananas, a watermelon, milk, tomatoes, brinjals, and jam. So somewhere singular and somewhere plural, you can see that. Now circle the things Pam buys and then tick it all that you can count. Now let us see. You know that naming words can show if there are one or more than one thing. You know that naming words can be singular or that can be plural. Okay, so if it is singular and plural, we can count it. How can we can count? See that. Example, one butterfly, two butterflies. Okay, butterflies. How many butterflies? There are two. We can count these things because these are in number. Okay, one pot, three pots, one leaf, five leaves, one man, 10 men, one flower, six flowers. So the naming words that we can count are called, that we cannot count are called uncountable naming words. Okay, naming words that we can count are called countable, and naming words that we cannot count, that is known as uncountable naming words. Clear? Now what is uncountable? Yes, you can see that water. In water we cannot count there is one water, two water, three water. No, like that we cannot count. Same way salt, we cannot count salt. These are uncountable noun. Sugar, milk, and sand. So these things are, these naming words are uncountable naming words. Okay, we'll go for the next page. Look at the picture and write the correct number for the naming words that you can count. Write some for one that you can count. See, first is buffaloes. So how many buffaloes? Let us see. One. How many buffaloes? Just wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can count easily. That means these are countable noun. So we will write 6 buffaloes. Okay. Then floor. Now floor we cannot count, so that is why we'll write some floor. Here it is written, you can see that some floor. Okay. Then milk, so some milk. Now next for this bag, so bag you can easily count. Okay, so 4 bags. Then some juice. Okay, some juice. And then some sand, okay. And seventh is 4 children. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 children. So easily here you can understand that the words that you can count are countable names, and that you cannot count are known as uncountable names. Clear? Exercise B. Underline the naming words and write C if it is countable and UC if it is uncountable noun. So please give me some bread. Here bread word that you cannot count, so you can write here UC. Okay, it is your football. Football is countable. Then the third is my pencils are new and sharp. Pencil you can count, so that is why it is countable noun. Then fourth is please buy salt today. Just now we have read about salt, so salt is uncountable noun. Clear? Now the next is 5 is how many chairs you can count. So chairs are countable. Then the 6, my dress are pink and blue in color. So 6 is dresses. My dresses can you can count. Then write C for that. Then the one more thing, color is also given. Okay, in 5 there are two things. In 6 there are two things, dresses and color, both are countable. In 7th, water, that is uncountable. 8th, milk, that is uncountable. 9th is chips, that is countable. 10th is jar. Okay, in 9th we will again see chip and lunch both. Okay, I have got bananas chips for lunch. So chips and lunch, that is uncountable, chips that is countable. In 10th, oil, that is countable. Jar, that is oil, that is uncountable. Jar, that is countable. In 12, shorts, countable, and plant, that is countable as well. So in this way we have completed exercise A and B. I hope that countable and uncountable noun is somewhere understood by you all. In the next class we'll meet for the next chapter, chapter 7. Till that time, thank you so much, students.